Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about short haircut ideas for older women. These styles are simple, beautiful and very easy to manage. If you want a fresh look that saves time and still looks stylish, then this video is perfect for you. Let's start with the first idea, the classic pixie cut. This is a very short haircut that is neat and elegant. It is perfect for women who want something quick and easy every day. You don't need to spend much time styling it, just a little combing and you are ready to go. It also makes your face look fresh and younger. Next is a layered bob haircut. This style is slightly longer than a pixie cut. It has soft layers that give your hair movement. If your hair is thin, this is a great choice because it makes your hair look fuller. You can leave it natural or quickly style it with a brush. Another beautiful option is the short curly haircut. If you have natural curls, don't hide them. Short curly hair looks lively and fun. It gives a soft and friendly look. Just use a little hair cream and your curls look amazing all day. Now let's talk about shag short haircut. This haircut has messy layers that gives a relaxed and casual style. It's very low maintenance. You don't need perfect styling. Even a natural look great with his haircut. For women who like a soft and simple style, the chin length bob is perfect. It frames your face nicely and gives a clean and neat look. It works well for almost all face shapes and is very easy to manage. Now let's talk about gray hair styles. Gray hair looks beautiful and natural. A short haircut with gray hair can look very elegant and comfortable and confident. You don't need to color your hair, just keep it healthy and shiny. Here are a few simple tips. Always choose a haircut that suits your face shape. Keep your hair healthy with regular trimming. Use light styling products for a natural look, and most important, choose a style that makes you feel comfortable and happy. So these were some easy and stylish short haircut ideas for older women. They save time, look modern and are very easy to care for. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more simple beauty tips. So friends, see you again in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.